think that mindset is everything in life, in business, in personal life. I'm a real estate agent in New Jersey and I have many buyers right now. So I put an ad on KW Facebook page looking for a showing agent. And usually I offer like $50 per house. So this one agent reached out to me and she's like, I'm interested. Please pay me like $50 per house. New Jersey is like long, right? We have North, Central, and South Jersey. And I sell homes everywhere. So obviously I need somebody who can service my clients in North and Central and South Jersey. So this particular agent, because I put it in the ad, specifically asking for somebody who has access to all those areas. So she reached out to me and we agreed upon $50 per house. And then she's calling me like 2 hours later and telling me that she changed her mind. She's not going to go to Bergen County because it's too far. And I'm like, listen, are you sure? Because this client, like I told you, usually wants to see at least 10 homes per day. $50 times 10 is $500. So see how it's everything about the mindset. In her mind, and I think she's a little bit narrow-minded, she thinks, okay, I have to drive 45 minutes to get to Bergen County from where I live. So I'm not going to show homes there because it's too far. Meanwhile, you get there, it's 45 minutes. And this guy, he wants to see homes only in one town. So you show 10 homes to him, which is going to take like, I don't know, 3 hours, let's say, and then, or even 4 hours, and then you go back and you cash in $500, right? So what I don't understand with this lady is the fact that she wants to make money, but she's not looking at the big picture. She's only looking at how much she has to sacrifice to get to Bergen County to show the homes, which to me, it's all about mindset. To me, she's very narrow-minded because was it better to go 45 minutes one way and back and show 10 homes and make $500 as a showing agent? Or is it better to sit on your bottom all day and make nothing if you are interested in showing homes for other agents, right? So to me, it doesn't make sense. And I think it stems from this narrow-mindedness of the person. I actually just literally texted her and I asked her, so would you prefer to show 10 homes in Bergen County and make $500, let's say for 4 or 5 hours of work, instead of doing nothing and getting paid zero? So we'll see what she says. However you frame it, I think you have to think big, right? Even when you have a business, I have 3 businesses, and the moment I started putting back money into my business, let's say 10% of what I make every month, the more business I get. It's marketing, it's staying on top of clients, it's whatever it is. You just have to invest back because otherwise you're not going to grow. But people who have narrow mind about that, they see that as an expense, not value added to your business, they're not going to grow. So what do you think? Am I right or maybe I am wrong? Yeah, I'm curious about your opinion.